What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fletch back here again. Is that grease? That came out of work, so it's probably car grease on my face. Yeah, it was. But for today's video, the moment has finally came that I've been waiting for. I've been talking about my sponsor for a while. They did tell me it was gonna take, like longer than normal for the package to arrive, which it did. It didn't take as long as they said it would. They said it would take up to 60 days. It did not take nowhere near 2 months. It probably took a little over a month to come, but the wait was worth it. I did a little unboxing yesterday. When I got back from New York, I was picking up some new wheels for the car, and the quality on them, oh my god, it's so fire. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys the mats, and then I'm going to vacuum the car, clean it up, and install them. Show you guys how to do that. Just want to give a huge shout out to Luxus car mats for partnering up with me and hooking me up with these fire car mats. It's gonna match the color scheme of my car, which is black and red. So let me go show you guys what they look like, and then set you guys up and clean out the car. That's what the car look like now for those who've been following me. But we'll get into that in another video. This video is dedicated to the floor mats. They did when I was tracking it, they did come from China. As you see, it came from China, then it shipped all the way to. I'm assuming these are the hardware clips to mount it. It's Velcro. Alright. Alright, I took one out. I took the driver's side out. I think that's this one. Shout out to them right there. Boy, the ice on this with the red interior. Come on, guys. This is gonna look bomb. I don't really want to put it on the grass. First, gonna take out the Honda mats. Not too dirty. I had to clean the carpets when I did the seats, so don't need that no more. Let me move my package. Just look at that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. What is that? Did I smudge that already? I smudged it already. I gotta clean that. Oh my god. Thank god I got my detail bag right here. Bro, why do I have the seat so far back? That's a no-go. Hold on, let me fix this. Look at it. It makes no sense. I mean, it does make sense. I put the seat back this far, actually. Think about it. Brain fart. Yeah, man. Out with this dingy, crusty Accord mats, man. And we're gonna put in the fire Luxus car mats. I got the driver's side. I wonder if the mats can. I didn't really check. Because if you do get these for a Honda Accord 2018 to 2022, they have these right here to lock into the all-season mats. So you just twist them like that. As you see, in here is really dirty. This is not even as bad. I really don't let the car get that dirty. So this is how we're looking. didn't really come with instructions at all, but I mean, I was pretty smart guy. I work at Honda. They have these right here. I'm assuming because it came with like some 3M like Velcro pads. I'm assuming that these right here. I'm assuming that you literally just put these on them and it sticks to the carpet. So, about to find out. Still putting it in, but this looks fire already. Like, does look. There's a Velcro right here that sticks to the carpet. Not too sure what I do with this though, and like, not too sure, but it's in there though. I do the fronts. I'm gonna do the fronts and see, because there's not much Velcro pads in those plastic things that came in the bag. So I'm gonna do the fronts and then see what's left over. But as of right now, the back is in and it looks fire. Like, it really flows with the car. Like, it just looks clean, you know? Oh god, there's this little, alright, so you see these little plastic things? You tuck it up in there. That's what I did in the Velcro, and it's holding better. And then they have them like this, I think, for the corners. I'm just assuming. I've never had anything this nice before, so I'm gonna do that to the next side and then slide the seats forward. So you see, you take that, just tuck it in there like that, and then the Velcro. And then there's another one right here. Sorry, I'm trying to record and do this. There's another one right there, just like that. And then I did the one over there in the corner. And then this, you just tuck it up underneath the seat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video installing the floor mats. Thanks again to Luxus Car Mats for hooking me up with these floor mats. I'll put their website information down in the description down below. You can contact them on Instagram, email them, or just go on the website. But if you want to get a little partnership, get discounted, then hit them up on Instagram, man. They're very fast responding. They came through clutch for your boy. Like, they reached out to me, and I appreciate you guys for that. This just added like a whole lot of swagger to my inside of my car. So appreciate you. Love you. Love all my followers. Comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Your boy Fletch. We out of here. Peace.